Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a really neat decor to put into your living room or kitchen? I've got the answer for you. So this lovely little piece of art is by Dream Shopping, and I wanted to tell you some of the things that I really like about it. First of all, I like the size of it. I've got kind of a big space here, and I didn't want anything real tiny. You can kind of see with it in my hands how big it actually is. It's a really good size. I love the color of it, the black with the gold sprinkled in every now and then kind of gives it a rustic look. I love how durable it is. I can throw this thing around and it's not going to break or bust. I've got kids and pets, so that's always good. I love that I can put it in different spots in my home and it still looks beautiful, whether it's in the kitchen or the living room. So I really like this modern ball decor. I really like the little fresh element that it's given to my living room, and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.